Today we'll be doing a special hack. It's called a special hack. No photos. Go here. Let me just go on history. So if you guys want to know the name, it's called Snow Noise. Guys, it's called Snow Noise. SNOWNOISE. Snow Noise. Anyways, guys, let me just put it all around and next. Wait, why do I have 2 pages? Never mind. Nah, I'll go back on. Anyway, so to do this, go on special, do a span. We can do this size, and then guess what? Do this. Is it even working? Okay, guys, go on section 2. Ta-da! Whoa! Look how cool this is. So cool. And don't worry about the glitch. Yeah, just have fun with it. Bye.